Today is December 7th. It is, holy jeepers, it is 8:08 in the morning, and I just finished FaceTiming my dad because he has a surgery today, and I wanted to see him before the surgery. But obviously, as you can totally tell with my voice, I am very sick right now, so I didn't want to go up and like get him sick. So we FaceTimed before he went to the surgery, and my mom's gonna like keep me updated for everything. So the first thing on my list to do today is go to the doctors because clearly something is wrong with me. I'm very sick. I need to get that figured out. So I have an appointment at 10 a.m. I think I'm just gonna sleep until then, but I just wanted to like update you guys and tell you guys what's going on. I didn't vlog yesterday or the day before because, like I said, like you can tell, I'm very sick right now. So I don't even know if I should vlog because I feel like this would be such an annoying thing to hear the whole time. I don't know what to do. I don't know. But I will keep you guys updated after the doctor's. Alright guys, so I just left the doctor's. I'm actually still sitting in the parking lot. And I don't have strep throat. The test came back negative. They're going to send that out again, and I guess that could come back positive. I'm not really sure. And they did a flu test, and those things are literally, like, they stick that thing so far up your nose. It is so unnecessary. But they did the flu test, and that they're going to have to call me back later because it's not like a rapid test, I guess. It's going to take a bit to like be processed or something. I'm not sure. But they're gonna call me back later with the results for that. And then I also have an ear infection in my ear, so that's cool. So I need to go and pick up the prescription for that. I also need to go to Walmart because we ran out of toilet paper this morning, and I got stranded on the toilet because I didn't know we were all out. So I have to go get toilet paper, and then I'm going to pick up my prescription. So that's what we're gonna do now. Alright, so I made it to Walmart, forgot the toilet paper. I was going to do one of those like transition things where I film where I'm driving, but randomly my card said memory card error on the camera when I was filming, and then it wouldn't let me turn off the camera. I don't know what happened, but it just kept saying memory card error, and then I tried to turn the camera off and it just stayed on. It would not turn off, so until I took the battery out. So I need to get home and reformat this card before like something like that happens again, because I don't know why that freaking happens. I'm also just gonna grab Blade plugins because we need more Christmassy ones of those while I'm here. Okay, so hi guys. I don't think I've vlogged since Walmart, and it's been like a lot of hours later. Like a lot of hours later. It is now, what time is it?
Time for you to get a watch.
It's 7 o'clock at night. 7 o'clock. And we just ate dinner at a pizza place near us. And
you're not gonna name it?
No, I don't want to name it. They're gonna find out where I live. And not that I don't. And thank you guys for watching, but like that, I don't really need you showing up to my house. So yeah, we just ate, and now we're gonna go back to the house. No, we're not. Oh well, we're gonna go to a liquor store. Then we're gonna go back to the house and hang out and play video games. Oh, I don't even think
we're watching
video games. We're gonna watch Hallmark Christmas movies. I don't even think I said Auntie Glenda's here.
Hi.
How she flew in today.
Are you sure you didn't say it and they just didn't hear you because you have a voice? Yeah, I probably did. As you can tell, I don't know, has my voice gotten worse throughout the day? Yes.
Yeah, I think it's just because I haven't shut up, so it's just getting worse. But I guess I'll see you guys at home because the lighting's pretty bad in here. Okay guys, so I get out of the car to go into the liquor store, and my purse strap is hanging out of the door, and I'd closed the door on it, so it was just dragging on the ground the whole entire time we were driving to the liquor store. I just want to say that because I cannot believe I did that and like didn't notice it the whole entire time. But now we'll see you guys back at the house. Okay, hi guys, I'm home, and I figured, let me just back this up a little bit, that to end off today's vlog, I know it's kind of short, I'm going to do an unboxing because I got some packages in the mail. Wait, let me just fix this angle. Okay, I got a better angle. So, first package
Oops, the coats. Okay, so the first thing I got was this coat off Amazon. So I'm trying to find the dupe to that IMG jacket. So this is the first thing. So it's definitely not as big as the IMG jacket. I don't know, it is really soft though. And then I got an SD card case because I lost my other one. That was everything that was in that box. Second box is also from Amazon. This one's really heavy. What did I get that was so heavy? Okay, so this is the Wi-Fi extender that I needed.
Go and I'll talk to you later.
Oh, I forgot. This is so heavy. This is the stabilizer for my camera. It's literally so heavy. This is a carrying case, I think. This is what it looks like. Looks like that. Oh my gosh. I think it's actually really heavy.
So that goes underneath it, so it's...
So yeah, so it'll like the way you want to stabilize it is so I can like move this whole thing around and this thing like not in the camera, like not shake at all. The camera's gonna go up top here. I have to like balance it. Let me just that's gonna take a while though, so I'm not gonna do that today. So we're gonna watch The Christmas Inheritance on Netflix. What does it say?
To inherit her father's company, socialite Ellen must first visit his small hometown, where she learns the value of hard work and helping others.
Aww. Sounds like such a family movie. So cute. So we all just got comfortable in our pajama, well except for you, but she's in her nice comfy pajamas. And we're gonna watch some Christmas movies and hang out. So I think I'm gonna combine tomorrow's vlog with this vlog because I didn't really do that much today. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Hi guys, so I just got home from work. I picked up a shift this morning because I took yesterday off so that I could go see my dad, well, go to my dad's surgery, even though I didn't end up going to my dad's surgery because I was sick. Anyways, I'm home now. I'm getting ready to change out of my really dirty work clothes because I made pizza today. I am going to change and get dressed to go get my eyebrows finally done. Let me just, just put it up here. Okay, so I've always wanted to do this thing. Oh man, my bun's getting cut off. Wait. Okay, let me just put you up here. So, I've always wanted to do this thing where I like snap my fingers and then I'm dressed. I really hope that worked. But I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done. So I'm back. I'm just making myself a quick snack before I go. And it's just some of this brown sugar cinnamon bread, which I've never had. I normally buy this raisin cinnamon brand because it's so amazing. They had a brown sugar kind, which I'm assuming is kind of the same exact thing, just without the raisins. But it's really good. And I just put some of my aunt's homemade strawberry jam on it and some butter on one bread. Yeah, I'm just gonna have that before I go, and then I'm gonna head to the hospital to visit my dad. Alrighty guys, so I'm walking through the parking garage at the hospital, and I actually got a really good parking spot, which is like kind of weird because it's like right at the time I feel like people should be coming. Well, if they were going. But yeah, a good parking spot. I'm going to visit my dad now, and I stopped by Target to get him his favorite cookies, and I'm gonna surprise him with them because he hasn't really been able to eat anything since his surgery yesterday, and all he wanted last night was Vienna finger cookies. So I went to stop by Target and I brought him those. So I'm gonna go surprise him with him, and I think he'll be excited. Wait, hold on, I got something for you, Dad.
Oh.
He said, oh, he was like burping and he was in pain for a second. But he was like, he said, oh. You have been paused there for so long. Why have you not eaten that cookie yet?
Because I was trying to hear what they were saying.
Are they as good as you remember them?
No.
No? They're not? Let me try one. Wait, can you hand one to me? I don't want to touch them. Wait, can you hand one to me? I don't want to touch them.
Hand her a cookie, Michael.
He's like, let me watch my show. That was so mean. These really don't taste the same.
No, they don't. They're not as sweet.
No, they're not.
I don't think they were. I don't really sweet.
Yeah, they were sweeter than this. Because I used to like them.
Sweeter than this.
I used to like them. Now they're not that good.
You collect them?
No, I used to like them. Now I don't like them.
Thank you all for watching Vlogmas. Please subscribe and stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.